Hi, I am discussing now New National Education Policy 2023. The new National Education Policy is nothing short of revolutionary in the education system in India. Same norms for 34 years, the Ministry of Education, formerly known as MHRD, did some serious amendments in it on 29 July 2020. This new national education policy was recently approved by the Indian government in 2023. So it is only natural that the question, what this new national education policy actually is, must be coming to people's minds. Our article is here to provide them with the answer to this question. Here, we'll discuss all the key aspects of the new national education policy. Moreover, we thoroughly explain the NEP 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 structure. So the students who want to understand this education policy by the government, what are the NEP 2023 major reforms? The following is the list of all the major reforms in education policy according to the NEP 2023. There will be no substantial distinction between arts, science, academic, vocational, curricular, and subjects of extracurricular streams. There will be extra emphasis on foundational literacy and numeracy. Substitution of 10 plus 2 structure with a 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 model. No imposition of state language on students studying in any state. Permission of taking board exams 2 times for the students. The government will spend 6% of the country's GDP on education instead of 1.7%. The Gender Inclusion Fund will be fully established. The government will do extra efforts for providing proper education to the gifted children. The UG courses will be of 4 years. The minimum qualification to apply for the post of the teacher will be a 4-year integrated B.Ed course. There will be an introduction of a common entrance test for admission to HEIs. The Master of Philosophy course will no longer be a part of the education system. The students will be able to opt for different subjects such as arts, crafts, vocational skills, and physical education in secondary school. The standards for board exams will be set by the body. PARAK, that means performance assessment, review, and analysis of knowledge for holistic development. The government will make literature of India and other classical languages part of the syllabus in schools. The exams for students will be held only in classes 2nd, 5th, and 8th instead of every academic year. What is NEP 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 structure? The most attention-grabbing amendment in the NEP 2023 is the replacement of the 10 plus 2 structure with the 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 structure. The 10 plus 2 has been prevalent in our education system for a very long time. So a complete change in that system can be a bit perplexing for the students. Below, we will try to explain the meaning of the 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 structure. It is completely distinctive from the old 10 plus 2 structure. In the new pedagogical and circular structure, the government has subdivided the schooling of students into 4 parts. These 4 parts are secondary, middle, preparatory, and foundational. These 4 stages of schooling will be crucial parts of educational development in students' school lives. The subdivision of these 4 stages in the schooling students will be done as follows. The first stage of schooling for students is the foundation stage. In this, the early grooming of students will be done for 5 years. These 5 years will be 3 years of Anganwadi, pre-primary, Balabhatika, and first and second grade. The second stage will be the preparatory stage. The schooling stage will last for 3 years as well. Class 3rd, 4th, and 5th will lay the foundation for the middle and secondary stage. The third stage of schooling will be the middle school stage. In this form, class 6th to 8th, these 3 years will prepare the students for the final stage of their school life, that is secondary stage. The final stage of schooling for students of secondary stage, in this instead of 2 years, the students will have a complete 4 years for class 9th to 12th to complete their secondary education. Significance of 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 structure. The government aims to emphasize more on the cognitive development stage of the students through 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus structure. Through this structure, the government will flesh out the schooling stage of students for their benefit. Contrary to the 10 plus 2 structure, the 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 structure will strengthen the base of students from the foundation stage to the secondary stage. This new structure will also help the rights to education to be fully utilized by the students. Since the structure covers age from 3 to 18 instead of 6 to 14, because of this, the students will be supported by the inception of their school life. In addition to all of this structure will be handy in substantially increasing students' retention rates. With the implementation of this structure, more students will stay in their respective schools for the entirety of their school life. In short, the new structure will be beneficial for the students in every conceivable way. Moreover, a higher literacy rate with this structure will only work for the betterment of our country's future. Effect of NEP on teachers. Not only students will be impacted by the NEP, but it will influence teachers and teaching methods as well. According to NEP 2023, in order to be a teacher in a school, you need to possess a B.Ed degree. The eye-catching thing about this is that this B.Ed course must compulsorily be a 4-year integrated course. Because of this policy, only competent teachers will join the schools, and this will most definitely help for molding the future of students into the right path. NEP 2023 for UG and higher education. The students who will pursue UG and higher education will also be affected by the NEP 2023. According to this policy, the duration of a UG degree will be of 4 years, and these degrees will be multidisciplinary, holistic, and flexible. Moreover, the students will be given multiple chances to opt for an exit from the degree course. For instance, the students will get a certificate for completing a 1-year vocational or professional field course, whereas they will get a diploma after 2 years and a bachelor's degree after 3 years. For PG courses, the course duration will be limited to 1 to 2 years. Also, the Master of Philosophy programs will no longer be accessible. The most ambitious decision for college level education in this policy is that the college affiliation system will be fully phased out in the coming 15 years. Moreover, there will be a new body to supervise all the higher education courses, excluding the legal and medical courses. NEP 2023 for teaching in mother language, in mother tongue or regional language. One of the most important reforms in the NEP is that the students will get to study in their mother tongue or regional language till the 5th standard. Additionally, the government has also said that they can increase this limit to the 8th standard as well. By studying in their mother tongue, the students will easily comprehend what teachers are teaching them. Also, the students will get to know more about their language through this policy as well. National Education Policy 2023 Digital Inclusions. The government will establish a NETP National Education Technology Forum. This forum will work to elevate digital teaching methods in different schools by providing new and unique ideas related to it. In order to develop more resources for digital education, the government will introduce a new unit that will work across the nation. There will be the integration of technology that will enhance the different procedures in the classroom. NEP 2023 implementation by different states. Let us have a look at all of those states that implemented NEP since it was approved. Karnataka became the first state that issued an order related to the implementation of NEP 2022 in 2021. Later on 26 August 2021, Madhya Pradesh also decided to implement new education policy. Uttar Pradesh CM Yogi Adityanath assures that the implementation of NEP will be in phases in the state. Goa is set to implement NEP in the state in 2023. States like Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Rajasthan and Assam are also making efforts for the implementation of the new NEP. Thanks to all viewers for viewing my video. Thank you all.